Okay, let's load our images. Where's that? Sorry, for this one. Let me just close this. Okay, so let's load our images. Number one is this two, our image styles. So let's rename it as image style one. Okay, this one is image style two. And then lastly, image style three. Let's just import them. So upload them. And then also I also need to upload my main image. So in my case, let's just use my picture. So this is my main image. All right, where's that? Okay, under the desktop. Okay. Now with that, let's create now a code to so make this at the bottom. Let's make a code to create a function, okay, to load the images in our code. Okay, so you don't have to memorize this, you just have to understand this. And I'll tell you later on, now that you understand the code, you don't have to memorize it, but you can make tweaks to it. Okay, so def and then load image and then image path. Over here, def is a reserved syntax, okay, to create a function to create a function. So when you say function, a set of codes in Python. And the name of that function is, we renamed it as load image. So that could be any name you want, okay? Next, all right. Let me just put that here. Okay, and the name of that function is load image. That could be any name you want. And then don't forget your tab. Image is equal to tf.io, meaning TensorFlow input output. What do I want you to do? Read the file of what? Image path. So we're going to use this variable later on, this image path, just to copy this path. Okay? Now that we have retrieved the path, what I want to do with my image variable is convert the image, okay, the image to three channels, which is your red, green, and blue, okay? So to decode or convert or to decode the image, okay? Red, green, and blue. So take note, all of the images in your computer um, are a combination of your red, green, and blue values. Then image, which is this one, decoded to what? Into three channels, which is your RGB. Okay. Next, after that one, what we need to do now is, okay, what we need to do here is basically convert now the RGB values to numerical values, right? If you remember, a computer appreciates numbers. So image is equal to TensorFlow that image, convert image, okay? Then D type, okay? Data type, what data type? I want to convert the image to tf dot float 32. Okay, float meaning into decimal numbers. And of course, don't forget to create your new axis. Okay, so you don't have to memorize this one. You just can copy and paste the codes. But once you understand the codes, then you can just make changes to your code. Okay, so image is equal to image. Then we create a new axis. So tf dot new axis, okay, comma 1. Okay, then return the image. Let's just see if there's no error in my code. Okay, that's good. All right. Now with here, what we need to do now is, okay, what do you call this? We need to upload this or copy the path of our images into our code. All right. So for example, my main image, all right, my main image is here, my picture. So I'll copy the path and is equal to load image. So basically, this one, load image, then I want to load what? My picture. So I'll copy this path, paste it here. Okay, don't forget your two columns. Then next, what your output style, okay, meaning what output do you want. Let's just see. So a while ago we had style image style 1, style 2. So probably let's have this one, which is image style 2. So I'll copy this and load image. Okay, paste that. And let's just see if there are no errors. All right, we have some errors here. Let's just check. So load image, blah, 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 output style. Okay. Defer is to create a function of blah, blah, blah. TF is not defined. Oh, we forgot to run this. All right, there we go. Okay, so when you say TF is not defined, we added this one. So let's play this again. Okay, let's just wait for the check to appear. Play it again. Play it again. Let's see. TensorFlow has no attribute decode. That's weird. So let's look for our. Oh, this should be decode image. All right. Let's run this again. Run this again. Okay, that's good. Okay. So the next lesson, what we're going to do now is we're going to combine these two images and let's see the predicted output of our machine. So I'll see you in the next lesson.